Hi everybody and welcome to Daddy-Daughter Time Cooking. I'm Daughter.
And I'm Daddy.
And today we'll be making lactose-free...
Lactose-free what?
Pound cake!
Pound, 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 pound. Let's get started.
Here are today's ingredients. 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 large eggs, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla, 1 1/3 cups flour, 3/4 a cup of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, and 13 tablespoons of butter. Alrighty, our first step is we're gonna add our eggs, vanilla, and milk into a bowl and whisk until completely combined. Alrighty, step 2. We're gonna add our flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder into our stand mixer, which has the paddle attachment. We're going to mix all those ingredients for about 30 seconds on low. Step 3. We're going to add all of our butter, half of our egg mixture, and we're going to mix that in with our dry ingredients on low speed until moist. Step 4, we are going to add half of the remaining liquid and add it to the rest of our ingredients in the stand mixer and mix for about 30 seconds. Step 5. We're going to add the remaining mixture into our stand mixer and mix for about 30 seconds. Step 6. We're going to pour our batter into our loaf pan. Step 7. We're going to level out our batter in the pan with an offset spatula.
Well, here we are. We mixed the ingredients, we poured them into the loaf pan, we leveled it off, and now we are ready to put the pound cake mixture into a preheated 350 degree oven for about 50 to 55 minutes. See y'all real soon. It's been about 50 minutes. Let's see. Beautiful. Done. Let's go ahead and let this cool for about 10 minutes and then taste it.
We finally finished our pound cake. We can eat it now.
We can eat it now?
Yes.
We're done? We're finished?
Yes.
All right, I'm eating.
No.
Why with the hitting? Why? You said I could.
The taste tester has to have it first.
I don't care about him. Maybe I want to be the taste tester.
So you want me and Son to be making all the food?
No. Yeah. No. No. Yeah. We'll stick to us making it. Let's call him. All right. Let's call him.
Taste tester.
Hello, taste tester.
Hello, Daddy.
You ready to do your job?
Yes.
If you would, grab a slice, taste away, and let me know. Can we now have some? All right, let's have some. Well, folks, if you would, make this with your families. Have some fun with your families. And when you get a chance, like and subscribe. Until that time, we got one thing to remind you of. Guys, what do we do here?
In this house, we dance in the kitchen.
Bye everybody. I got me some pound cake.